Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We'll continue with the question 5th from 15.2 exercise. The question is, a cone is inverted. There is an inverted cone of radius 5 centimeters. Radius is 5 centimeters and height of the cone is 8 centimeters. So, and water is filled up to the brim. That means up to here the water is filled in the cone. After filling, some number of lead shots are put into this cone. The lead shots are put into this cone. So what happens when some lead shots are put into the cone? 1/4 of water flows out of the cone. So 1/4 of water flows out of the cone. The question is, find the number of lead shots. Lead shots means, you know children, they will be in sphere form. So the lead shots of the radius of one lead shot, that is one sphere, is 0.5 centimeters. So we should find the number of lead shots put in the cone. For that, first we need to find the volume of cone. Then 1/4 of water flows out. That means that 1/4 of water which is flown out is equal to the number of lead shots. Or there are different methods you can find out. So we'll start it. For that, we'll write first volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi will keep it as it is because next we may cancel them directly. Radius is 5 square, that is 5 into 5. Height is 8. This is the volume of cone. We are not going to find exactly the value because we need also to find the volume of lead shot. So there we have the chances of cancellation. So we'll keep it as it is. But we cannot find out the number of lead shots. What? Because 1/4 of water has flown out when the number of lead shots are put in the cone. So we'll find now that 1/4 of its volume. That means 1/4 of 1 by 3 pi r square. 5 into 5 is 25 into 8. We'll just write this. Anyhow, this is multiplication. So we can cancel this now here. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So now it's left with 1 by 3 pi 25 twos are 50. This much we'll write now. This is the volume of cone we have found out. Now to find, we are going to write now volume of one sphere, that is lead shot. Volume of sphere, in bracket I'll write it lead shot. So that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi I'll write as it is. R cube is, it is 0.5 radius of one lead shot whole cube. So this becomes 4 by 3 pi. This is 0.025. Now number of lead shots. How to find the number of lead shots? By 3 pi 0.125, that is 5 cube. Next we'll find number of lead shots is equal to, we should take volume of cone divided by volume of one lead shot, that is sphere, one lead shot. So we have volume of cone, already we have calculated, 1 by 3 pi into 50 divided by 4 by 3 pi into 0.125. So children, pi gets cancels. Denominator of the denominator, if you take the reciprocal, better I'll take the reciprocal and show you the calculations. So that will be 1 by 3 into 50. So if I take now into, this becomes 3 by 4 into 0. 0.125. This much. It is in the denominator, it remains in the denominator. Now 3 gets cancels. Next step I'll show you. 50 divided by 4 into 0.125. So you have got many methods, children. So if we multiply here after the decimal point 1, 2, 3 are there. If you multiply both by 1000, now we are left with 50 into 1000 divided by 4 into 125. Because after the point they become, now you can cancel by 5 or directly 4, whatever you want. 5 ones are 50, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are, now 5 fives are, 5 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are 0, 0. Now 2 ones are, 2 twos are, so 2 ones are, so it becomes 100 lead shots. So after 1/4 of water is, when the lead shots are put into the water, 1/4 of water flows out. That 1/4 of water is equal to the number of lead shots, that is 100 lead shots are put in the bowl. Yes, children, we will continue with the sixth question. In the sixth question, there are two cylindrical iron pillars. So one is surmounted by the another one. The first one has the height as 220 centimeters. So I am taking it as capital H, 220 centimeters, and its diameter is 24 centimeters. Here it's given diameter. On this is surmounted by the another cylindrical pillar which has the height of 60 centimeters. Its height is 60 centimeters and its radius is given as 8 centimeters. That is, radius is 8 centimeters. So here we need to take the pi value as 3.14. Whenever they mention, we have to take 3.14. Otherwise, we have to consider it as 22/7. Here we also should find its mass of these two cylindrical pillars. For that, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. So students, when we find the volume, we get in cubic. Volume will be always measured in centimeter cube or meter cube. So for that, we need to find the volume of both the cylinders. Then we are going to convert it into its mass. So we'll take now volume. So for the first cylinder, I have taken capital H and capital D, that is diameter. For the second one, directly they have given the radius. I have taken small r and small h. In the first cylinder, we are going to find the radius, that is capital R. D by 2, 24 by 2, it is 12 centimeters. Now we find the volume of both the cylindrical pillars. Volume of cylinders. So the first one is, we are going to write pi capital R square and capital H. For the second, plus pi R square H, as it is daily how you use it. Now I will take pi only common. We cannot take R and H, they are different. R, capital R is, it is 12 square, 12 into 12 into H is 220 plus small r is 8, 8 into 8 and small h is 60. It is 60. Yes, this is 22 by, sorry, it should be taken as 3.14. 12 into 12 is 144 into 220 plus 64 into 60. Now 3.14, multiply this, 0, 22 fours are 88, 22 fours are 88 plus 8, 96, 22 ones are 22 plus 9, 31, plus, again multiply, 0, 6 fours are 24, 6 6 are 36 plus 2, 38. Now add these two. After adding those two, we will get the volume. After adding, we have to multiply with 3.14 also. So 3.14 into 0 as it is. Then 4 plus 8 is 12. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Then 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. And 3 as it is. Now, so the next answer here, after multiplying, 111,532.8 centimeter cube. Children, this is the volume of both the cylindrical pillars we got. Now we have to calculate its mass. So that is, they have told 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. So to find the mass of the pillars, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. Therefore, it is 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube is equal to how many grams? So we have to multiply this into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16 plus 6, 22. 8 3s are 24 plus 2, 26. 8 5s are 40 plus 2, 42. 8 1s are 8 plus 4, 12. 8 ones are 8 plus 1, 9. 8 ones are 8. So after one digit, this is we have got children in grams. This is also correct. If you can keep it this much only, but it is better. This is, you will get only good marks, but to get excellent, you have to convert it into kgs. So you know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. So to convert grams into kg, we have to divide it. 892,262.4 divided by 1000. So 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3. You will get 892.2624 kgs of